a blessed night whenever you're watching this. Today's video will be a combination between a clean with me as well as a nighttime routine quarantine edition. And so you'll get a look at what my night is like, okay? It's my husband and our 3-year-old, and so I usually like to start cooking by 5 o'clock. Dinner will usually be done by 6:30. And so in this video I'll be making baked sazon chicken, you know, with a little garlic powder, onion powder, some onions, and I tried something new. I did add apple cider vinegar. So yeah, let's get to cooking, guys.
I know you don't care as much as I do, but I'm just content with me next to you. Let's go to an art museum, I'll explain it at the coffee shop. I know you don't get it, but there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a while, but thank you for coming. I know that you're trying to do anything to make me smile. I'll have a cup of tea while you have a latte for both you and me. The caffeine will make sure that you don't fall asleep.
Alright, so while dinner is cooking, what I like to do is come and straighten up the living room. We do eat in the living room as a family. My husband and I will sit on the couch and eat. My son will sit at his kiddie table. I'm not gonna lie to you, we don't always watch the same things. My husband likes to watch his movies. I like to catch up on the latest YouTube videos that I like to watch. And my son, he won't always get his iPad most of the time because he gets distracted while eating. So he'll get his iPad if he's like eating dessert. But I feel like what matters is that we're eating as a family, and we'll have conversations here and there. But yeah, guys, let's get back to cleaning up.
But there's no need to fret it. It's like a gift, it's about the thought. Monet might be too much and Van Gogh might take a
while. So casually keep diving into concrete, so bittersweet. Keep losing sleep while driving in the backseat. What's left of me?
Alright, so after we finish eating, my husband and I will discuss who's going to give a mirror bath or who's going to clean up, or usually, you know, he'll wash dishes because I cooked. But either way, it gets done because in our house it is teamwork, okay? We do support each other. And so yeah, what I'm doing right now is I'm raking the plates out, I'm going to wash the dishes, and then I'm going to straighten up the living room. And by about, I would say 8:30, I will get a mirror in the tub and off to bed.
You're just a better kind of bitter.
So by 8:20, we have finished straightening up the kitchen, the dining room, and the living room. We'll take Amir over to clean up his room, and then we'll give him a bath. We'll brush his teeth. We'll tuck him in the bed. We have a night routine where we'll tell him a story, count our fingers, say our ABCs. We'll pray over each other. He even prays over us. And then once he goes to sleep, I'll usually go to my prayer closet. DJ will go to his prayer closet, and then we'll go to sleep. So that's the night routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for all your love and support. God bless you, and please continue to share my channel, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace.